In this video, I will show you how to book an appointment for your SSN. Now there are 3 basic steps. First, of course, determine if you need an appointment, because generally you don't need an appointment for non-complex services like applying for a new SSN or replacement card. But if your local SSA office is busy or you're dealing with complex issues like immigration-related cases, an appointment is recommended. So if you need an appointment, you want to go and gather the required documents. So first you have a Form SS-5, which is an application for a social security card. Now you also need proof of identity such as a passport, proof of immigration status if applicable, and proof of age. Then to actually book an appointment, you can do it over the phone, so you can just call the SSA national toll-free number, which you can see right here on screen, and you can request an appointment at your local SSA office. Now you cannot book an SSN appointment online for new or replacement cards, but you can locate your local office. Just search for SSA office locator, then enter your zip code, and then get the contact info and directions. And then you can go and do the in-person visit, since many SSA offices now accept walk-ins, but appointments get priority and wait times can be long, so it's better to call ahead. So now you know how to book an appointment for your SSN. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.